On May 8, 2025, the world turned its eyes to Vatican City. As white smoke rose above the Sistine Chapel, the bells of St. Peter's rang out. The Church had a new Pope, Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost, now Pope Leo XIV. His election not only marks the first Augustinian pontiff and the second pope from the Americas, but also a moment of continuity and hope for the world's 1.4 billion Catholics. If you're passionate about faith, history, and global leadership, hit that subscribe button and join the Do You Know community, where stories like this come to life. Robert Francis Prevost was born in Chicago, Illinois, on September 14, 1955. Raised in a devout Catholic household with strong cultural roots, Prevost entered the Augustinian order in 1977 and took his vows in 1981. He studied mathematics at Villanova, earned his doctorate in canon law in Rome, and then chose to serve the Church in one of its most difficult missions, northern Peru. In Peru, Father Prevost worked among the poor, ministering to remote communities, building seminaries, and forming young clergy. For 13 years, he walked with the people of northern Peru, learning from them and sharing their burdens. This experience solidified his commitment to the poor and marginalized, a core value he shares with Pope Francis. In 2001, Prevost was elected Prior General of the Augustinians. Over 12 years, he led the order through spiritual renewal, global outreach, and administrative reform. He emphasized unity, humility, and education, laying a foundation for the leadership style he brings as Pope. Prevost visited communities around the globe, listening to local leaders, encouraging intercultural dialogue, and promoting the role of laypeople in evangelization. His governance was marked by a collaborative and inclusive spirit. His experience navigating crises, from natural disasters to internal disagreements within the order, earned him a reputation for being a stabilizing force. He was both pastoral and pragmatic, often opting for behind-the-scenes diplomacy. In 2015, he became Bishop of Chiclayo, Peru. His work caught the attention of Pope Francis, who brought him to Rome as prefect of the dicastery for bishops in 2023. There, he helped choose the Church's next generation of bishops, emphasizing service over status and diversity over hierarchy. While serving as prefect, Prevost quietly modernized the selection process for bishops, implementing background checks and encouraging more representation from the global South. He also placed special emphasis on pastoral experience and humility. He believed that bishops should be shepherds, not bureaucrats, leaders who smell like their sheep, echoing the sentiments of Pope Francis. This approach made him both respected and sometimes controversial among more traditional factions. Now, as Pope Leo XIV, he carries the torch of Pope Francis. His first words as Pope, "Peace be with all of you." His papal motto, "In illo uno unum," in the one Christ we are one, reflects his goal, unity through compassion. Pope Leo XIV, "My mission is one of unity, service, and compassion. In Christ for all. Expect continued focus on poverty, the environment, and marginalized peoples as he walks the path laid by his predecessor. In private conversations, Leo XIV has expressed admiration for Pope Francis's encyclicals like Laudato Si and Fratelli Tutti, and he intends to build upon their principles. Social justice, interreligious dialogue, and environmental stewardship will remain central. He's also likely to encourage further synodality, involving bishops and laypeople more directly in shaping church policies. This bottom-up approach could reshape how decisions are made in the coming years. Leo XIV is a pope for the global church. American-born, Latin America-raised, Roman-trained, and spiritually Augustinian, he is a bridge between worlds. He speaks multiple languages, understands global diversity, and has lived with the poor. He is deeply attuned to today's most pressing challenges. Observers note his ability to balance tradition with innovation, rooted in doctrine, but unafraid to engage with science, technology, and new social dynamics. His leadership may well be shaped by dialogue with youth, women, and non-Christian communities. In fact, one of his early meetings as Pope was with a group of refugee children. This gesture reflected both continuity with Pope Francis and a new pastoral tone, simple, direct, and deeply human. The path before him is not easy. He inherits a church facing polarization, dwindling vocations, and social upheaval, but he carries the heart of a pastor and the mind of a reformer. The faithful and the world await his response with hope. From Chicago to Chiclayo, from missionary to pontiff, Pope Leo embodies service in its truest form. May his papacy be a beacon of unity, mercy, and peace. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into pivotal moments and figures of our time.